Hello guys, so I'm on another adventure. This time for Valentine's Day we have arrived in Singapore. I didn't really film the process of getting here because it was just, these days going through the airport is like a lot of work. But I'm gonna start off by showing y'all the hotel, and we're staying at the A Spot Hotel. So once you walk in, it's a kitchen. Really, this is considered like an apartment. So it's a kitchen. It has refrigerator. It has a stove, microwave, sink, and then it has the little island here. And then you come over to the living room. It has a television, seating area. Looks like they're giving us some complimentary fruit. And this is the outside. Can't really see it like that, but I probably show you guys during the daytime. And here's the couch, and then you come over to the bedroom. And here is television. They have like a desk. The bed looks like to be a queen size bed, nightstand. And then you come over here to the bathroom, toilet, and then the bathtub is inside of the shower. So 2 in 1. And then you have the mirror here, and also you can get out the bathroom through this way as well. So yeah, this is just a preview of the apartment itself. It's not really a hotel, it's an apartment. Normally when I travel, I try to look for places that have a seating area and a bedroom so that we're not on top of each other. So that if I want to watch something else, my boyfriend can watch something else as well. But we are about to go find something to eat. We end up landing here at a queen. You don't hear me recording?
Yeah, I'm trying to entertain your recording. Like you're boring. I'm trying to excite it a little bit. Never mind, I won't say it.
Alrighty, hey you guys. So this is the next day. I know I didn't film last night because we were trying to find something to eat and a lot of stuff was closed. It wasn't like how it was when we was in Thailand. But I have some news. So it's Chinese New Year. I already knew it was Chinese New Year, but because I deal with you know, foreign exchanges, but I did not know they were celebrating it here in Singapore. And the original Chinese holiday really started like Monday until the 22nd or the 23rd. But here we finding out we have to just like keep hearing different information from everybody. So they're trying to say that they're doing it for like 2 or 3 days. But the thing about it is we leave Monday. So most of everything they say is gonna open up on Sunday. But I'm calling around just to make sure we can do some stuff, because if not, I was willing to leave. But most of the main attraction things are still open. So, but I really wanted to go to the Hawker Center, the most famous eatery. So I guess if we don't do it tonight, we can definitely do it Sunday when it opens. But we definitely need to know like a for sure thing of when it opens. But for now, we're at another, so a Hawker Center is basically like a food center. We're at another one, and we just wait on our food.
Well, them got their shrimp so good.
And what?
Shrimp. You ever see that big ass shrimp on there?
I need you to take the head off of me.
You see that big ass
Oh, we got some. Is that shrimp? Okay, yeah. I thought I was gonna put on makeup today. Do you see how oily and shiny my face is? Like, I'm not gonna be able to wear makeup out here. But I do want to go out tonight later to a one section. So I'll be back and let you guys know how the food is. And I gotta finish planning out the rest of the day and everything we're gonna be doing. So I'll let y'all know. So we have a chili crab, green beans, noodles, shrimp. head on it. You know, I don't like that stuff with their head on it. I gotta find her page. But yeah, she be having a microphone in front of her, and yeah, she be eating like all this food. Leche by itself.
Now you a cup of ice.
And can I get some leche? One lychee. What is it?
Oh, I don't think they got those there.
Just the plain lychee. They don't got plain lychee.
No, just lychee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Get some cup of ice, please.
Yeah, a whole lot of ice.
Hit the button for me, please.
Creatures will be easy to see. Others blend in very well with the surroundings, as many nocturnal animals in the wild do. So, keep your eyes peeled and look out for these animals.
Okay, so we are.
Have keen senses. Noises and flash photography may scare them.
We are at a night safari. Today, what are we doing? We went shopping. Once again, I did not pull out my camera, but I promise I'm going to pull it out tomorrow. There's just so much stuff like goes on when you're on vacation, and I forget to pick up my phone. I forget to pick up the camera. I should have videoed and showed you guys. We did something really cool today, like a selfie coffee. It was pretty nice, but we just waited on the train, waiting for it to start.
children at the center of the tram seats. Finally, notice the red buttons above you. Press these emergency buzzers if you require assistance. Thank you, and enjoy your safari.
And the humidity is so crazy out here. I'm so old. It's like so much greenery here. That's the hotel we just came from with the infinity pool up there. And I'm so mad this Ferris wheel is down. But yeah, we about to go see this little statue that I want to see.